Ever wondered how AI really understands audio? Like how it can listen to a busy cafe and not just say people talking, but actually describe the clink of cups, the hum of espresso machines, or the laughter of friends. That's the goal of a groundbreaking new dataset called FusionAudio-1.2M. And today, we're breaking down how it's rewriting the rules of AI audio comprehension. Here's the thing. Most AI systems that describe audio are like kids trying to paint a masterpiece with just a few crayons. They're limited by the data they're trained on. For example, a caption might say, music playing, without mentioning if it's a jazz saxophone or a pop song. But researchers wanted to teach AI to listen like humans, picking up on details, context, and even the emotions behind sounds. So they did something smart. They looked to human hearing. Our brains don't just process sound in isolation. We use multiple senses, like seeing a car's headlights while hearing its engine, or noticing a dog's bark through a door. That inspired a two-part AI system. First, specialized models act as audio detectives. One focuses on speech, another on music, a third on general sounds, like a door creaking or a cat meowing. Then, a visual model checks accompanying videos for extra clues. It's like giving AI superpowers, not just hearing but interpreting. But the real star? A large language model that stitches everything together. Think of it as the ultimate editor, turning fragmented clues into a rich, coherent description. Instead of people talking, you get a barista laughing while grinding beans with a customer asking for a latte. To train this system, researchers built FusionAudio-1.2M, a dataset with 1.2 million detailed captions and 6 million question-answer pairs. Compare that to older datasets, and it's like comparing a child's sketch to a Renaissance painting. Their captions are longer, more accurate, and full of context. Let's talk numbers. Previous systems often hallucinated, making up details not in the audio. Like thinking a parked motorcycle was moving. But Fusion Audio nails it, mentioning wind sounds to hint at an outdoor scene or the steady roar of an engine. It's like the AI is listening with intention, not just pattern matching. Now let's zoom out. Audio captioning isn't just about detecting sounds, it's about understanding them in context. Imagine describing a busy street to someone over the phone. You'd say things like, there's a car horn, people chatting, and a distant siren. But what if the sounds are overlapping or the environment is tricky? That's where the real challenge begins. See, audio isn't just about what you hear, it's about context. A rumble could be a passing truck, a distant earthquake, or even a movie soundtrack. Traditional systems struggle here. For example, in a storm, rain, wind, and thunder all blend into one messy audio soup. Or think about trying to guess if a song is happy or sad based solely on the music. No lyrics, no visuals, just sound. And then there's the super specific stuff. Can the AI tell the difference between a keyboard click and a typist's fingers tapping? These are the tiny details that make audio captioning so hard. So how do researchers tackle this? The secret sauce? Multimodal magic, but not the kind you see on TV. They combine clues from different audio sources. Think of it like a detective using fingerprints, footprints, and witness accounts to solve a case. They analyze audio tags, speech, music, use speech recognition to pick up words, and even cross-check with video, but only when necessary. Here's the catch, AI can't just guess. If a video shows a car, the system can't assume the engine noise is from that car, unless the audio itself makes it clear. Let's say an audio clip has a mysterious low hum. Could it be a refrigerator, a distant train, or a drone? The system uses contextual clues. If the video shows a kitchen, it leans toward the fridge. If the audio has rhythmic patterns, it might guess a train. But if there's no video, it sticks to the audio alone, avoiding wild assumptions. This isn't just a dataset, it's a leap forward. By blending multimodal cues and advanced AI, researchers are paving the way for smarter assistants, better accessibility tools, and deeper insights into the sounds around us. So next time you hear an AI describe audio, remember, the future is about listening deeply, not just hearing. Who knows? Maybe your favorite app will soon understand that coffee shop chatter and the clink of cups. Thanks for watching, stay curious.